Hi everyone. AI is everywhere, from automating routine processes and optimizing workflow to predicting issues before they happen, or it could be enhancing decision making and even providing personalized experience at scale. But adopting AI successfully is not just about picking the latest tool or hiring a data scientist or AI engineer. It requires a clear strategy, a strong foundation, and the right mindset. And that's exactly what I'm going to cover today. I will talk you through a step by step AI strategy checklist, starting with preparation and assessment, moving through technology, people, ethics, and finally future planning. By the end of this video, you will have a solid roadmap to implement AI in a way that actually deliver results. Whether you're looking to automate processes, enhance decision making, or build AI powered product, this checklist will help you avoid common pitfalls and set your organization up for a long term success. So let's dive in. Before jumping into AI, you need to ask, what problem are we solving? AI should align with your business objectives, whether that's improving efficiency, enhancing customer experience, or driving revenue. Once you have a clear goal, assess your organization's AI readiness. Do you have the right data, the right infrastructure? Do you do your team have all the necessary skills? And most importantly, identify the best use cases. AI is most effective in repetitive, data heavy tasks. Think fraud detection from a banking and fintech point of view, or automated quality checks from manufacturing or software industry point of view, or personalized recommendation from retail point of view. Lastly, data is everything. If your data is messy, outdated, and incomplete, AI won't work well. So ensuring high quality data is crucial first step. Once you have identified your AI opportunities, it's time to plan. And good planning means setting clear, measurable objectives. Use the SMART framework, so specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, instead of saying we want AI to improve sales, a SMART goal would be increase customer conversion rate by 15% in next 6 months using AI driven recommendation. You see the difference. Next, prioritize initiatives based on ROI, return on investment. You don't want to spend months on a project that brings little value. Data governance is another big one. AI needs clear policies around privacy, security, and without them, you risk compliance issue and data issues. Finally, don't go all in at once. I cannot emphasize this enough. Start with small pilot projects, learn from them, and then scale up. Let's talk about tech. AI needs the right infrastructure. Some businesses go for cloud solution like AWS or Azure because they scale easily. Other might need on-premise setup for security reasons. Edge computing is also on the rise, especially for real-time AI applications like self-driving car, for example. Next, AI doesn't work in isolation. It needs to connect with existing systems. So your CRM or ERP or supply chain software or anything else for that matter. Otherwise, you will have data silos, and that defeats the purpose. And don't forget about data pipelines. AI relies on constant data flow. Imagine trying to train a self learning chatbot without an automated data pipeline. It would be like teaching a child language but never letting them hear new words. AI is not just about technology shift, it's a cultural shift as well. If people don't understand AI or fear losing their job to it, adoption will be slow. The best approach, in my opinion, is build cross functional teams. AI is not just for data scientists. You need input from your IT, operation, and business units to make it work. Training and upskilling are also crucial. Think about it. 20 years ago, hardly anyone knew how to use Excel or internet for that matter, and now all of these things are basic job requirements. AI skills will be the same. A culture of innovation is also key, encouraging teams to experiment, learn from failure, and use AI to improve decision making. And most importantly, communicate the vision clearly. AI is not replacing people, it's enhancing their capability. Once you have your Data pipelines, technology, infrastructure, people, culture, AI strategy side of things in line, it's time to deploy, but not all at once. First, train your model on historical data and validate them using real world data. Think of it like training new employee. You give them past reports to study before throwing them onto new real projects. Then start small. Deploy in a controlled environment and test. Imagine launching a chatbot for customer support. You would want to test it with a small group before rolling it out to thousands of customers. Real time monitoring is also a must. AI is not perfect. It needs constant tracking to catch errors early, and feedback loops help models improve over time, just like human learn from experience. Next, ethics, governance, and compliance. AI is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. We have all heard that. Ethical AI means fairness, transparency, and accountability. AI bias is a real problem. There have been cases where hiring algorithms favored certain demographics over others. That's why regular bias audits are crucial. Staying compliant with laws like GDPR is also a big one. Data privacy regulations are getting stricter, and AI must follow them. Some companies even set up AI ethics committee to review high risk projects. If AI is making critical decisions like approving loans or diagnosing disease, it needs an oversight. Now let's talk about future planning and innovation. So AI is not a one-time project. It's an ongoing journey. Technology evolves fast. Just few years ago, most AI models were rule-based. Now we have generative AI, federated learning, and even quantum computing on the horizon. That's why monitoring AI trends is essential. Businesses that adopt early will have a competitive edge, and AI use cases will keep expanding. A process that doesn't need AI today might benefit from it in the future. Finally, investing in R&D, research and development, keeps you ahead. Many companies partner with universities and research labs to stay at the cutting edge. Emerging tech like AR, VR, and edge AI will now, and quantum computing, and the combination of quantum and AI will open new possibilities for AI applications. So let's recap. AI success starts with proper preparation, defining goals, assessing readiness, and identifying right use cases. A solid strategy and roadmap ensure AI delivers real business value. The right technology, data pipeline, and infrastructure sets the foundation. AI adoption is as much about people and culture as it is about technology. Ethics and governance help ensure fairness, transparency, and compliance. And finally, future proofing your AI strategy keeps you ahead in an evolving landscape. One last thing, AI is not just a tool, it's a mindset shift. The most successful companies or individuals don't see AI as a single project, but as an ongoing part of their strategy. They continuously learn, adapt, and innovate. So, if you're looking to implement AI in your organization, now is the time to take action. Start with a small project, build confidence, and scale from there. If you if you would like to discuss how to bring AI into your business, let's talk. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you found it useful.